It's Monday, March 22nd. Let's go get some coffee. So one of the many reasons why I like coming to Calavera Coffee is because they write these fun little things here. Keeping the swag alive. There you go. And the coffee's really, really good. Also, I just saw something. Let's go check it out. I had no idea that they were going to be here, but let me see if I could do something fun. I have 30 minutes to kill, and hopefully it doesn't take too long. So that took about 20-25 minutes. Now I have to go to this other place to meet this guy about a thing. No time. So I'm getting my windows tinted today. I've had this Subaru for about a year now, base model. Not too sure if I'm really happy with it or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and tint all the windows except the driver and passenger. I found this guy off of What's Going On in Hollister's Facebook group.
We're from Hollister, California. Our business name is Blumex Auto Tint. You can find us through Instagram. This is our business card. If you guys ever need a quality tint, we offer lifetime warranty. Just give us a call to this number. It's 831-597-1865, and we got you. All right.
A few moments later.
Okay, it looks like the car is ready to get picked up. Let's go check out his work. And then I have a meeting in 30 minutes. Literally no time today. No time.
Thousand years later.
It's 6:20. It's time for a run. 'All in all, a pretty good day. Make sure you check out Calavera Coffee. Make sure you check out Café con Leche, and hit up Julio Torres, who does the window tinting. And shout out to meeting Gabby today. You're pretty dope. And thank God those dogs didn't get me. Until next time. Oh my goodness.